In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. I get a lot of questions about split screen on this Huawei. That's because entering it is not as easy as it should. Let me explain. First of all, you need to open any app you want to use in split screen view and launch it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner of it to open your app as a floating window. Then tap on the second app, click on your window, and finally, to use those apps in split screen view, hold this line at the top of your window, the blue one, and drag your app all the way to the right or to the left. When you see gray area, let go. Now you can tap on next or later. And finally, use your apps at once. To go back from this mode, you can go back into background apps and swipe them. Or to keep using one of them, hold those three dots in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left. Then close the remaining one by tapping on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!